Update 6 on Tropical Storm Maysak, Philippine name Chedeng. It's weakened significantly since the last update. Its wind speed is now 50 miles per hour and its air pressure is 989 millibars. Position is approximately 16.4 degrees north, 122.5 degrees east as of 2 a.m. UTC on April the 5th. Of course, 50 miles per hour, that's 80 kilometers per hour. That's the maximum sustained winds in the storm. There may be higher gusts, but the significant effects on land are likely to be much less than what we were initially fearing. Indeed, not so long ago we were predicting a Category 2 typhoon landfall, but that is certainly out of the matter now, and we're looking at a weak tropical storm making landfall now, which is obviously welcome news for the Philippines, but still heavy rainfall may cause some flooding as well, so be vigilant, I suppose. Signal 1 warnings remain in effect for Isabela, Aurora, Quirino and Palillo Island as of April the 5th at 10 a.m. Philippine time. These warnings may extend further inland and towards the western side of Luzon as well if the storm progresses through and maintains tropical storm strength. But at the moment, Signal 1 warnings for those areas been lifted over large parts of the area. Almost the whole of Luzon were under warnings not so long ago, but those have been lifted for the most part. Sea surface temperatures remain fairly warm, around 28 degrees Celsius, maybe slightly less, and that remains the case in the South China Sea as well, should the storm emerge over there and perhaps have a small window of intensification, but it doesn't look likely. Looking at wind shear, that is also moderate, low to moderate, high towards the northeast and decreasing in the South China Sea. You can also see the other storm, Haishen, towards the east there as well. There's the water vapor imagery 2 showing what little is left of Maysak compared to what it was just hours ago, if not days. And here's some more imagery as well. A big flare up in the last few frames on the satellite imagery, which obviously highlights how the heavy rainfall is the biggest threat from this storm now, rather than strong winds. Of course, we may still see gusty winds in parts of the Philippines. That's why Signal 1 warnings are in effect, and obviously flooding may also be a problem with the storm as well. You can see all that yellow area on that imagery in particular showing dry air off to the left-hand side of the storm, which is certainly interfering with its ability to produce significant thunderstorms and heavy rain at this time. As of April the 5th at 2 a.m. UTC, this is what's going on around the world. Invest 91 and 93S are both located in the South Indian Ocean and both have a small chance of developing into a tropical cyclone. And we also have Maysak and Haishen in the Western Pacific rather, one affecting the Philippines, one affecting Micronesia. 21 storms have formed so far in 2015 around the world. 11 of those have become Category 1 typhoons or their equivalents around the world with winds of 74 miles per hour or higher, and 8 have gone on to become Category 3 storms with winds of 115 miles per hour plus. Of course, 4, including this one, have become Category 5 storms already this year, which is well above average. You can visit Force 13 on any of our outlets. The website, force13.com, is the main place to be for all the goings-on around the world storm-wise. Of course, past, present and future videos on YouTube. Search Force 13 there if you're not there already. And of course, the social pages as well, Facebook and Twitter. Search Force 13 there. Our handle on Twitter is @Force13, and you can speak to me personally on Skype at Fool13 on there for a tropical weather chat, the 13 in numerals. There will be no live updates planned, at least not yet, but look out for announcements and links to future live events on our social media pages and on the website. But for me, that's all for now, and this may well be the last update on the storm, but if it does keep going, we will issue another update around the same time in 24 hours from now.